Dear friends, are employees of Hebei Tianbang Fasteners Manufacturing Company Limited. Extend cordial greetings and best wishes to you. Although not in one country, we live on the same blue planet, with different historical and cultural background. We still share the unique love in terms of sincerity and kindness. Although we are separated by the mountains and seas, a small glue makes our heart connected and makes our friendship last. It is our great honor to be your partner in business at a certain time. Tianbang Company always welcomes you to visit Handan, a city with 3,000 years history, to experience the local customers and cultures and to enjoy the Handan cuisine. Yongnian, as the Fastener city of China welcomes you.